Assalamu alaikum and hello, welcome back to my channel. And today's recipe is another delicious recipe. It's Reshmi chicken. So Reshmi chicken is like velvety chicken. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm gonna start with my marination, and I have this lemon, which I'm gonna use like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half cup yogurt. I have 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Spices: 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Haldi powder, and 1 teaspoon Zeera powder. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons Philadelphia cream cheese, but if you would like, you can use heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna smoke the chicken for smoky flavor. I'm gonna add some clarified butter. Let it rest for 30 minutes. So guys, for this recipe I'm using the instant pot, but you can use it any pot or any even karhai will work for Reshmi chicken. So now I'm gonna turn on my Instapot saute mode, and now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can see it's on now. I'm gonna add my 1 large onion. I'm gonna add 2 green chilies, maybe just for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna take this out. Just for a few seconds. Now we're gonna add our paste, the one we made for onion, green chilies, and cashew. Now we're gonna add our chicken. Salt. So now I'm gonna cancel my saute mode. So here you go, it says saute and there is a cancel button. I'm gonna press on that. So it's off now. So now we'll make sure it's not venting, it's on sealing. You can see it's sealing here. 1 tablespoon suki methi, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. So I'm gonna add garam masala, black pepper, and suki methi. Delicious Reshmi chicken is ready to serve. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Thank you.